Artificial intelligence is everywhere around us, starting anywhere from your automobiles to finance to banking. It impacts every facet of our life today. Most importantly, it now impacts healthcare. It's projected to be a $300 billion industry by 2026. Let's talk about how artificial intelligence impacts healthcare, specifically the entire patient experience. Now, artificial intelligence plays a role starting from preventive care and wellness of a patient in terms of suggesting a better personalized lifestyle, to impacting screening in terms of identifying diseases early, in terms of diagnosis through clinical decision support systems, in terms of impacting care delivery by helping patients and doctors make better decisions, and then ongoing chronic care management by ensuring that there is effective adherence by predictive those important touch points when patients might fall off treatments, and then gamifying the entire patient experience. Artificial intelligence is made possible primarily due to two large mega trends. The first one is data, and then the second one is the availability of digital health infrastructure. First, let's talk about data. The amount of data available and the variety of data available is immense today. There are 5 primary types of data that can impact how artificial intelligence plays a role in a patient's life. The first, most important, is financial data. This is traditional claims data as well as the data around cost of care. Then the second one is the clinical data, which comes from the hospital or the provider through electronic medical records and other ancillary systems. The third is the data which is captured by the patient. This is through various smart devices and sensors that surrounds the patient. The fourth one is the social determinants of health, which are captured around the patient in terms of social strata, different community structures, which will impact their healthcare experience. And then the last one is the patient generated health information, where the patient informs about his or her state of health. All this data together, when processed, allows generating immense degree of insights into a patient behavior and a disease behavior, and then can help make patients better decisions. Now, it's not just the data, but it's the ability to capture this data, it's the ability to clean and process this data at a large scale, it's the ability to link this data together to stitch a continuous patient journey and then transmit it back to the point of care to inform better decisions. This transmitting back now moves us to our second important trend, which is the digital health infrastructure. Now, digital health applications and IoT sensors are everywhere surrounding a patient, which helps you take these insights and turn them back into better decisions. Imagine a patient. This patient is surrounded by smart devices and sensors which capture his or her data. Now, this data syncs real time and is analyzed. Now, it notifies the patient around their health and helps them check into the healthcare ecosystem. The doctor or the caregiver is able to look at this data and inform better decisions, and then continues to monitor the patient throughout her or his patient journey. This, in general, changes the entire patient experience and improves outcomes through artificial intelligence. Now, it's not that data and infrastructure are always required to the same degree. If you look at this entire continuum, let's take an example of screening. Screening requires a lot of data to be able to build algorithms where you can identify a patient early in terms of onset of disease. It also requires a lot of complex digital touch points where you can catch the patient early while he or she is moving through their day-to-day life. On the other hand, let's talk about clinical decision support. Here, while the data required to train a CDS algorithm is very high, at the same time, there are already existing clinical workflows like electronic medical record or other systems where you can go and apply this artificial intelligence. So the infrastructure requirement is not very high. Understanding this continuum of data and infrastructure requirement is very important for anyone who is trying to build a digital health journey for a patient. So what is the future of AI in healthcare, especially when it comes to the patient ecosystem? We believe that AI will be omnipresent when it comes to impacting a patient's life. It will be present everywhere along the entire continuum, where more and more data will be captured going forward. More and more algorithms will process this data, and they will continue to intervene positively in terms of the decisions that a doctor, a patient, and a caregiver makes. This will be aided by increasing adoption of digital health tools by patients as well as by providers. Most importantly, as we progress, AI will start becoming ubiquitous, where it plays this role in terms of decision making in the background without patients or doctors even realizing that AI is present. So the future for both patients and AI practitioners seems very bright.